Hey, what's up, Shiba coin holder? What's next? Shiba coin going up in upcoming days or fails down? What's the next target of Shiba coin? Can they hit the target or now, my friend? And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Exactly, my friend. This is very good profit. This is very good video for best profit, my friend. If you want to take a good profit from Shiba, then exactly don't skip this video. Keep watch because this channel give you very good news, my friend. So this time, my friend, the Shiba coin result and negative in the last 7 days, my friend. Why they are negative? What's my prediction to upcoming days? They going up or they fails down, my friend. Don't skip video and keep watch, my friend. If you can see here, my friend, they touch here and the highest point you can see here, my friend, 0.0036, my friend, something US dollar, my friend. So at this point you can see here, this is the highest point. If they can moving and here, my friend, if you can see here, and they're moving and here and this circulation, then exactly, my friend, today they can hit it half US dollar, my friend. But you can see here they completely fails down and here is no jump, my friend. Here is no jump. They are completely fails down. So this is very bad news for everyone, my friend. But my friends, what we do at this same time. Okay, my friends, come to the point. You can see here, my friends, in the last time, my friends, they are completely fails down. You can see here, but after that, my friend, you can see here they come to 0.00144 US dollar, my friend. So this change occur, my friend. I hope they're good, my friend. And they are starting moving up. Shiba is starting moving up and they can easily hit it 0.0010 US dollar, my friend. But if you could see here in the last 24 hour, minus 26.55% fails down. So exactly very high change occur, my friend. This time you can see here highest very negative, especially very negative percentage, my friend. This time you can see here in the last 1 hour they cannot 0% change occur, my friend. In the last, you can see here they gone like a rocket, exactly. So this is good news for everyone, my friend. So thank you so much, my friends. My prediction to upcoming time, they gone up. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. And the target is, my friend, 0.001 US dollar. I hope they can hit it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.